How to start a small business with very little capital. Most people don't lack capital. What they lack is clarity and discipline to start a small business. You don't need millions to start a business. You need simple idea and the courage to begin with what you have. Here are 5 important things to consider if you want to start a small business with very little capital and grow it real big. Number one, start with products that are fast selling products. Products that people buy every day in the neighborhood. Things that are essentials like bottled water, food items, data, call times, soap or toiletries, small repairs, common online services, tailoring, touch-ups. All these are things that require very little capital. Number two, buy only what sells, not what looks good. Many small shops waste money on fancy items that nobody needs. They waste money on things that people don't buy. Focus on what people need every day for fast sales. That's where your profit hides. Number three, keep your costs small and your turnover high. Start with a table, a tray, a cooler, a small corner, anything. Don't wait to rent a shop. Start from anywhere you are. Number four, reinvest your profit for 3 months straight into the business. If you make 5,000 profits daily, reinvest at least more than 3,000 back into the business. This is how small stock becomes big stock. This is how small services become full-time services. Number five, let your consistency be louder than your excuses. People trust a business that shows up every day, a business that is always available to respond to them. No matter how small, consistency builds reputation. Reputation brings customers. Customers bring growth. Don't forget this. Your small beginning is not your final level, but it becomes nothing if you never start. Share this video to someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe or follow Finance and Freedom. Here we turn small ideas into real income. I'm David VC. Thank you for engaging. See you on the next one.